So I did something. I don't even know how to say it. I don't even know what I was thinking, but I did buy an old abandoned farm. Ta-da!
Okay, I'm getting carried away again. Enough.
The farm is in very rough condition, and not only Mother Nature has taken over, but also wildlife. I have coyotes, I have opossums, I have bobcats. I even have some snakes on the property. I've seen coral snakes and water moccasins, so nothing to play with. I think I even might have some alligators all the way in the back. What do you think? Let's go explore and see what we can find. But first, let me put on some different outfit because I do not want to die today.
Um, yeah, this is a beautiful outfit, but I didn't say I wanted to go swimming with the snakes, so let's try this again. Okay, those boots are very nice. Now let's try to work on the outfit. How about some accessories? I can work with that. I got some fun accessories here. This will be fun. Okay, so lass uns anfangen. So the property is about 5 acres, but only about half an acre I was able to access so far to look at it, and I have to say it's such a mess. In order to clean this property up, I'm gonna have to divide it into different areas and tackle one project after the other. Also, I wasn't able to walk most of the parts, so I used a drone to fly over it to see what's actually hiding behind things. And yeah, it's just more disappointment, more and more and more trash. A big area of the land is wetland, but I don't even know how much exactly. Now I'm gonna need your input. What should I build on here? And most importantly, what should I call the farm? The strangest things you can find underneath a tree. I'm gonna have to get some machinery to get that thing out. There will be cutting of trees and grass and outdoor showers, because there's nothing better but a rinse outdoors after a long day of work. Well, this structure doesn't look too bad. It looks like the roof is still intact, just need to cut the trees down. Most of the trees on the property are actually an invasive species to Florida. It's the Brazilian pepper tree. They're growing everywhere here on this property, and they're just taking over. I wonder, what can you build out of the wood of the Brazilian pepper tree? While most of the property is a disappointment, I do feel a sense of freedom. It is so nice to get out of an HOA and just, be yourself, be free, do whatever you want to do on your own land. There will be lots of mixing, cutting, and more mixing, entertainment, and so much fun. As you can tell, I'll have a fully loaded program. Now here it looks like an older structure as well. I'm not really sure. That looks like if I could put a roof on it, that could be an outdoor workshop, right? And then here's one of the only buildings on the property. It's actually built out of cinder block, which is amazing. The roof seems to be in very well condition as well. However, I have to tell you, it stinks in here. I don't know what is going on in here, but it's disgusting. How do I get that smell out? I don't know. I'm gonna have to look into that. There's even leftover from an AC unit up in the ceiling. Alright, now let's check out the front of the property. I'm definitely going to try to reuse a lot of the items that I'm finding here.
Waking up this morning, waking up before it's getting night.
And here's, well, how should we call it? Just another trash pile? There's just trash everywhere. Initially, I thought one dumpster would be enough, but man, I'm gonna need a lot of dumpsters to get rid of most of the trash here.
Down to every minute. Don't know what I was sipping, but I felt like I was doing fine.
But on a good note, hey, I just found my trash can. Also a very old, I don't know if it's a grill or a smoker. And what is this? Serial killers? Yeah, interesting. And that's why we have to wear some boots here. Look at that baby. Ugh. That's a water moccasin, by the way, and very venomous. And here comes Mama Bear to the rescue. Yeah, is she going for my drill? Hello? No? Alright, let's get out of here before I get eaten up by snakes. And I'm not a very good knife thrower, so this knife isn't gonna save me. I should have just brought my gun. That was the little short tour of the lot. As you can see, there's lots to do and lots of room to expand to, build all the new projects that I have in mind. And I hope you're just as excited as I am. See you soon. Tschüss! Well, that wasn't planned like this, right? Let's try this again. Okay. So, what's this?